Of a chemical leak inside of a rail car.
And we just received new details from CAL FIRE in Riverside County about this situation. This is a thermal image showing you what's happening inside right here. The leak reported right around 7:40 last night near Harville and Oleander. Firefighters and hazmat teams say a car carrying a chemical called styrene, I believe that's how you say it, it started leaking and overheating. Now, that chemical is used to make foam products. The chemical is still reacting inside the car, and officials say it could take days for this to be resolved.
Typically, this material would stay at about 85 degrees, and currently it is at 323 degrees.
So the chemical is volatile. It has the potential to explode, and as a result, the 215 has been shut down between Ramona Expressway and Cactus. First responders evacuated about 170 homes located in a half-mile radius around the leak as a precaution. There is an emergency shelter set up at Pinacate,
Perris, where about 170 homes have been evacuated after a hazardous chemical spill from a rail car. Moore could smell a strong odor from his apartment near the tracks Thursday night.
In my first couple of steps, I immediately threw up.
The fear is this tanker could explode. A drone with infrared equipment captured this image, showing it in red, heating up compared to the surrounding cars.
So we actually have a sensor on the drone where they can point it at, they're using a specific spot on that rail car to track the ebb and flow of that temperature.
Adding to the problem, triple-digit temperatures. Concerns over a potential blast led authorities to go door to door to get people out early Friday morning. 83-year-old Rosemary George, her dog, and her son and daughter were told to go to this evacuation center at Pinacate Middle School.
We're in the explosive zone. That's how close I am to it.
Officials say the car carries styrene, a chemical used to make rubber and latex products. It's unstable, so evacuees have been warned it may take several days for the car to cool down.
I grabbed my medication, I grabbed my phone charger, I jumped in my vehicle, and I took off.
Back here live, a news conference is about to start right in front of your screen. You can see the PIO, that is Captain Cordova, so he is introducing the speakers. So on that note, let me go ahead and hand it off to the podium.
Thank you, Richard, and thank you all for coming out today. On behalf of the County of Riverside, I'd first like to say thank you all that are trying to get around this mess right now. You know, it's going to take patience, and we thank you for that patience. And we want you to especially make sure that you think ahead going somewhere and take a little bit extra time. We're going to get through this. I'd like to thank CAL FIRE. I'd like to thank the Riverside County Sheriff's Department, the EMD, the CHP, the EPA, and especially Val Verde School District for furnishing us with this impromptu, really great place to have an incident command. Over the next few days, it could be really, really trying, but I think if we hold together, we've been through recently quite a trying time in our nation and in our county. I think this will be a time that tests our will, and I think we're there. All of us up here we're really working hard for a safe and a timely resolution to this problem, and hopefully we'll have some even better news shortly.